Hello fam, you're welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video is going to be a different video from the usual video we normally have. Why? Because I have a very special person on my channel today. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Grow with Ivy.
Yes guys, she's a very good friend of mine and she decided to join me on my channel today. So guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to clone yourself just like this. Guys, are you ready to learn how to clone yourself just like you're seeing now? Keep watching. So guys, before I go into the tutorial, there are 5 tips that I want you to take note of for you to have a successful video. Now the very first one is this: do not move your phone. If you have a tripod stand, good, please make use of it so that your phone will be in a stable place. The same thing goes to your light. The light, you don't need to make it darker and brighter. If you are using a very bright light, please, all through your video, make sure your light is bright. You understand? So please, so it won't affect the other video, the other clone video. Do you understand? So make sure everything is the same. Your phone is stable, the light is the same, everything is the same. So that is the first one. So the second one is this: please make sure you take note of the middle line. Now, you know there's a way you stand. If I'm doing like this now, I'm not in the middle of my phone, right? If I do like this, I'm not in the middle. But if I do like this, I'm in the middle. Please make sure you take note of the middle line, because none of the character is expected to cross the middle line. None. Do not cross the middle line. If you are filming your video, it's either you are this way as the first character, or you are this way as the second character. Please do not cross the middle line. Do not, for you to have a good video, do not cross the middle line. Number 3 tip is this: please have a script. Make sure whatever you want to say, maybe you want to interview the second person, which is yourself, you want to interview the person, have a script so that you will know what the discussion will be all about, so that you won't be talking and this other person is talking at the same time. It will look somehow. So make sure you have a script. And then the fourth one is this: you can make use of a recording device. If you have a second phone and the phone can record, so you can make use of it, and so that you will know when it's your turn to talk. Two of you cannot be talking at the same time. Your viewers will be confused. So one person needs to talk and then the other person will be quiet. And when the other person is talking, the other one needs to be quiet. So that is how it works. So it's good you have a recording device so that you will know when to talk. It helps a lot. But if you don't have maybe a second phone, anything that will help you with that, you can do your video, do the first one, and then play it, watch it yourself, and then time it so that you will know when it's your turn to talk. I don't know if you get. So that is that for that. Then the very last one, which I want you to take note of, is this: when you are talking to somebody, you are not supposed to be looking at the camera. You need to be looking at that person. Maintain eye contact. Now let's say I want to talk to my second self, the second person. Now I won't just be talking like this, like looking straight to my camera. No, I need to look at that person to talk to that person. So the both characters need to maintain eye contact. Like, it should be perfect, because without the eye contact your video is not perfect. Trust me when I say so. So what you need to do is this. Let me give you an example. Now this is the first character, and then I want to talk to the second character. And how do I do that? I need to look straight, and this is my level. Like, this is the sitting position. Let's say the other character is still sitting, so you don't need to start looking up. The person is not up. You don't need to start looking down. The person is not down. You need to look straight, as like you're looking at that person. So let me do that now. Hello, thanks for joining my channel today. Did you see that? So that is how it works. So when it's that person's time to also talk, the person will also look straight. You understand? So that is how it works. Don't look up, don't look down, don't look at your camera, look at that person that you are talking to. That is how it works, guys. I hope you've gotten all these points. So now that you've gotten all these points, no, without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. And before then, have you subscribed? So you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Do so now before you forget. All right, let's go there.
So guys, you're going to click on the Capcut app. Click on it, and then click on new project. So we're going to select the video that we've done. You remember that we did 2 separate videos. So I will select the first one, which is this. This is 47 seconds. So I'll just have to crop the beginning because my hand was showing. I just crop it and then we're good to go. Then you click on this check sign, then click on add. So guys, this is the first video. Now we're going to overlay the second one. So you click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then click on the video, the second one, which is 46 seconds. So click on it, and if you notice, my hand was also showing, so I need to crop that other part from it. So when you finish cropping, you can play it for you to see if it's okay. It's okay like that. So you click on this check sign and you click on add. So this is it. So after doing this, make sure you resize the second video so that it will be the same with the first one. So you just use your 2 fingers to resize it like this. Guys, you do see this? So like this. And now that we have the both videos here, you're going to swipe to your right hand side. Make sure you click on this second one. Make sure you click on it and then swipe to your right hand side and search for mask. Then this is mask. Click on mask, and then you click on horizontal. Click on it, and here we are. So we are going. So what this horizontal means is that it's like you dividing the both videos, and we do it like this. Just use your both finger to turn the line, the horizontal line, like this. Keep doing it like this, and then make sure everything is balanced. Please don't leave it like this. Do you see? So make sure you can slant it, you can make it to be at the middle, depends on how it is, like this. Guys, can you see this? So now that we have this, if you save your video like this, it will be somehow, because the line of division will be showing. So we want to erase that line. And how do you erase the line? You see this arrow here? Click, you just touch it and then make use of it, and then you can shift it a bit, and the line won't be showing anymore. So like this. Guys, can you see that? So guys, so this is perfect. I'll leave it like this. Then you click on this check sign, and guys, this is the video. Let me play it for you to see.
Hello fam, you are welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video is going to be a different video. So
guys, the thing is that any editing you want to do on this video, you can still go ahead and do it. All you need to do is to click on the particular video you want to edit. If it's the first one, you click on it and then do any editing you want to do. Okay, well, let's say we want to increase the volume of that first one. Now you've clicked on it, then just search for volume and you increase the volume.
Hello fam,
guys, that is how it works. And if you want to, maybe you want to edit the video, like you want to add to the brightness, just click on the particular video you want to work with and then you do your editing, and that is all. The logic for you to have a successful clone video is this: make sure you script it, and you guys should not talk at the same time. If you have a recording device, good, that would be the best thing. So you will not want to start talking like that. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.